Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2013 Dodge SRT Viper. As you can see, this casting is by Hotwheels and it's part of their new Stars and Stripes line of diecast. I already think I have the Camaro. Oh no, I have the Challenger and the Shelby GT 500 Mustang. Both of them look good, and so does this one. So let's open it up and see what are the details on this one. So if you don't know, these lineups are some of the new lineups which Matchbox has released recently. One of them is Neon Speedster, Vintage Racing. So they are slotted somewhere between main lines and the premium price wise. And same goes for the details. They have certain details more than main lines, but they miss out on some stuff from the premium. So let's start to talk about this. So first thing you will notice is this crazy paint job with red background and the stickers going on with the stars and stripes as the name suggests. So let's go to the front now. So up front, this car is finished in red and it has got some good details like headlamps, the Viper logo, the Mopar logo, which is performance division or parts division, you can say, of Dodge Chrysler. Again, you can see the crazy paint stripes followed on the front too, on the roof, the tail. So it's the different paint job on these ones. It does miss out on the mirrors. I think that's because it's based on an older casting which Hot Wheels did a long time ago, and they didn't used to do mirrors before. Now on newer casting you can see mirrors on them. Again, good details on the hood. You can see the vent, you can see like the lower Dodge grill. Again, it's not detailed. As I said, it's not as detailed as the premiums, but slightly better detailed than the main lines. Now coming to the driver's side, as we saw on the other side, you got the SRT badge, Mopar badge, the Dodge badge. These wheels, again, they don't look bad on these, because if I'm not wrong, earlier even the later Vipers still had like chrome wheels. But again, these are not something special, like rubber tires you get on the premium ones. But for this casting, it looks good. Also, you can see the side mounted exhaust here. You know why? Because it's a Viper. Interior is done in black, and I can see the cup holders. That's something nice. So some good details in the interior too. That's good to see. Coming to the back, again, detailed tail lamp. As I mentioned, these get a bit more detail than the main lines. The roof hatch, or you can say, the rear hatch, the glass, again, very kind of stylish. The design, it follows off the actual car. Even the roof is kind of bubble. It's not like flat roof. These are front engine cars, so no engine here. Again, some aero work going on down there, diffuser, I guess. Viper badge in the back, again good details. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So there you go. So overall, I'd say it's a nice looking casting. Would have loved if there were mirrors. I like the details, but yeah, it's not bad. I think a wheel swap will make it look even better. If some of you do that, go ahead. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.